नमस्कारम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम यूनिट 4 काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस थर्ड सेमेस्टर केमिस्ट्री बीएससी के मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। इसमें हम 3 टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे बेसिकली। पहला तो होगा हमारा गैसेस स्टेट, दूसरा होगा हमारा क्रिटिकल फिनोमिना और तीसरा होगा हमारा मॉलिक्यूलर वेलोसिटीज़। तो टॉपिक फर्स्ट, इसमें चैप्टर का नाम है दरअसल ये काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस। टॉपिक फर्स्ट में आना था गैसियस स्टेट। ठीक है, तो हम क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट देखते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ पोस्टुलेट ऑफ द काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस? ए ऑप्शन, गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर स्ट्रोंगली। बी ऑप्शन, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स इज सिग्निफिकेंट कंपेयर्ड टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कंटेनर। सी ऑप्शन, गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स आर इन कंटिन्यूअस रैंडम मोशन। डी ऑप्शन, गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स लूज एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग कोलिजन्स। तो इसमें हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स आर इन कंटिन्यूअस रैंडम मोशन। Explanation: The kinetic theory of gases assumes that gas molecules are in constant random motion. This is a fundamental postulate which explains the behavior of gases. Question number 2. Deviation from ideal gas behavior is observed when gas particles have negligible volume and no intermolecular forces. B option, gas particles have significant volume and strong intermolecular forces. C option, the temperature is very high and pressure is very low. D option, the gas behaves according to the ideal gas law. तो इसमें हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर बी करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा। गैस पार्टिकल्स हैव सिग्निफिकेंट वॉल्यूम एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेज। एक्सप्लेनेशन: real gases deviate from ideal behavior when the volume of gas particle is significant and there are appreciable intermolecular forces, especially at high pressures and low temperatures. ये बात ध्यान रखने की है कि at high pressure and low temperature। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. The van der Waals equation of state accounts for the quantum effects of gas particles, the exact behavior of ideal gases, the intermolecular forces and finite size of gas molecules, the temperature dependence of gas molecules. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इसमें ऑप्शन नंबर सी हो जाएगा, द इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेज and finite size of gas molecules. Explanation: the van der Waals equation modifies the ideal gas law to account for the volume occupied by gas molecules and the attractive forces between them. Next topic है हमारा critical phenomena. First question: what does the term critical temperature refer to in the context of gases? The temperature at which a gas condenses to a solid, the temperature above which a gas cannot be liquefied regardless of pressure, the temperature at which a gas behaves ideally, the temperature at which the volume of the gas becomes zero. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा, द टेम्परेचर अबव विच अ गैस कैन नॉट बी लिक्विफाइड रिगार्डलेस ऑफ प्रेशर। एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं। द क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर इज द हाइएस्ट टेम्परेचर at which a substance can exist as a liquid. Above this temperature, the substance cannot be liquefied regardless of the applied pressure. Question number 2. According to the law of corresponding states, gases behave similarly if they have the same critical temperature and pressure. Their reduced properties, pressure, volume, temperature are the same. They are at the same absolute temperature. They have the same molecular weight. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी ऑप्शन, their reduced properties, pressure, volume, temperatures are the same. The law of the corresponding states states that gases at the same reduced temperature, pressure and volume will exhibit similar behavior. Third question: The relationship between the critical constants and van der Waals constant is given by option number A, Tc is equals to 8a upon 27 rb. B ऑप्शन है Pc is equals to a upon 27 b स्क्वायर. सी ऑप्शन है हमारा Vc इक्वल्स टू 3b. डी ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ द अबाव. तो आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑल ऑफ द अबाव. ठीक है, एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लो. These relationships are derived from the van der Waals equation to describe the critical temperature Tc, pressure Pc and volume Vc of a gas in terms of the van der Waals constants A and B. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा मोलिकुलर वेलोसिटीज. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Maxwell's distribution of molecular velocities describes the distribution of velocities for gas molecules at a given temperature, the average velocity of gas molecules, the distribution of potential energies in a gas, the behavior of gas molecules at absolute zero. Option number A is the correct option. ठीक है. The distribution of velocities for gas molecules at a given temperature. Explanation. Maxwell's distribution gives the probability distribution of speeds, velocities of molecules in a gas at a given temperature. Next question. The mean free path of a gas molecule is defined as the average distance a molecule travels between collisions. B option है the average distance a molecule travels before coming to rest. C option the distance between the walls of the container. D option है the distance a molecule travels in 1 second. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, द एवरेज डिस्टेंस अ मोलिक्यूल ट्रेवल्स बिटवीन कोलिजन्स. एक्सप्लेनेशन. द मीन फ्री पाथ इज द एवरेज डिस्टेंस a gas molecule travels before colliding with another molecule. Third question, the collision diameter is, collision का diameter क्या है? The distance at which two molecules collide, the diameter of the gas molecule, the effective diameter that takes into account the probability of collision, the average diameter of the container. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी हो जाएगा, that is the effective diameter that takes into account the probability of collision. Explanation क्या है इसका? The collision diameter is an effective parameter used to describe the likelihood of collisions between gas molecules. हमने हर एक टॉपिक से 3 MCQs कर लिए हैं. अब हम बाकी के 3 फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे शुरू के टॉपिक से. तो पहला टॉपिक होगा हमारा गैसियस स्टेट. ठीक है. First question. According to the kinetic theory of gases, the pressure exerted by a gas in a container is due to the potential energy of gas molecule, the volume of the gas molecules, the collisions of gas molecules with the walls of the container, the gravitational force acting on the gas molecules. And the answer is C option, that is the collisions of gas molecules with the walls of the container. Explanation. The kinetic theory states that the pressure of a gas is due to the force exerted by gas molecules colliding with the walls of the container. Second question. When do real gases deviate most from ideal gas behavior? At high temperature and low pressure, at low temperature and high pressure, at high temperature and high pressure, at low temperature and low pressure. And the answer is option number B, at low temperature and high pressure. Real gases deviate most from ideal behavior under conditions of low temperature and high pressure because intermolecular forces and the finite volume of gas molecules become significant. Next, the ideal gas law is expressed as PV is equals to nRT. Which assumption is not a part of the kinetic theory of gases for this law to hold true? Option number A, gas molecules do not exert attractive and repulsive forces on each other. B option. Gas molecules are in constant random motion. C option. The volume of gas molecules is negligible compared to the volume of the container. D option. Gas molecules have a definite volume. And the answer is option number D. Gas molecules have a definite volume. The kinetic theory assumes that the volume of individual gas molecules is negligible, ठीक है, and they do not occupy significant space within the container. Next topic है हमारा critical phenomena. First question. The continuity of states refers to the continuous change from solid to liquid, the smooth transition from gas to liquid without a distinct phase change, the continuous increase in temperature of a gas, the constant volume of substance at all states. And the answer is option number B. The smooth transition from gas to liquid without a distinct phase change. Explanation. The continuity of states describes the gradual transformation between gas and liquid phases without a distinct boundary, as seen near the critical point. Question number 2. The PV isotherms of real gases show a characteristic behavior near the critical point. What is this behavior? The isotherms are straight lines. The isotherms exhibit a maximum and minimum inflection point. Option number C. The isotherms remain constant. D option number. The isotherms intersect at the origin. And the answer is option number B. The isotherms exhibit a maximum and minimum inflection point. Okay, explanation. Near the critical point, the PV isotherms of real gases display an inflection point where the gas and liquid phases become indistinguishable. Next, the reduced equation of state is derived from the van der Waals equation using the concept of option number A, absolute temperature, option number B, reduced properties, reduced pressure, reduced volume and reduced temperature, option number C, partial pressure, option number D, molar volume. And the answer is option number B, reduced properties, reduced pressure, reduced volume and reduced temperature. Explanation. The reduced equation of state uses the reduced property to generalize the behavior of different gases based on the principle of corresponding states. लास्ट टॉपिक है हमारा मोलिकुलर वेलोसिटीज. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू अबाउट मैक्सवेल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मोलिकुलर वेलोसिटीज? All molecules in a gas have the same velocity. The distribution is symmetric about the mean velocity. The distribution shows that most gas molecules have velocities near the average velocity. Option number D है. The distribution shows that there are no gas molecules with very high velocities. And the answer is option number C. The distribution shows that most gas molecules have velocities near the average velocity. Explanation क्या होगा इसका? Maxwell's distribution indicates that a majority of gas molecules have different velocities around the average, with fewer molecules having very low or very high velocities. Next, the collision number in the context of gas molecules refers to the total number of collisions per unit time, the number of collisions per unit volume, the number of collisions per unit distance, the number of collisions per unit area. And the answer is option number A, the total number of collisions per unit time. The collision number refers to the total number of molecular collisions occurring in a gas per unit time. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा. द मीन फ्री पाथ ऑफ अ गैस मॉलिक्यूल इंक्रीजेज विद. मीन फ्री पाथ गैस का इंक्रीज किसके साथ होता है? इंक्रीजिंग प्रेशर, इंक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर, डिक्रीजिंग वॉल्यूम, इंक्रीजिंग मोलिकुलर डायमीटर. ऑप्शन नंबर बी, is the correct option. Increasing temperature. The mean free path increases with temperature because the gas molecules move faster and have more space between collisions due to the increased kinetic energy. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट. थैंक यू. प्लीज़ आप लोग सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मैं प्लेलिस्ट बना दूँगी थर्ड सेमेस्टर केमिस्ट्री बीएससी के जितने भी चैप्टर्स हैं. आई थिंक 8 यूनिट ही हैं, तो वो 8 यूनिट मैं आपको प्लेलिस्ट में ऐड कर दूँगी. आप लोग वहाँ से आराम से देख पाओगे. थैंक यू.